Hi, today we're starting with place value. Write down how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in each number. So let's try. We have, for example, we have 268. 268 is a 3-digit number, and the ones is always going to be our first digit, second, and third, right? So let's try number 1. We have 237, that is 3-digit number, so it's similar as 268, and our first digit is 7, so 7 ones, and then the middle is going to be tens, and here tens, so 3 tens and 2 hundreds. Okay, now let's try number 2. We have 61. So here we have 1 and 2. So we have 2-digit number. Because it's 2-digit number, we're not going to use the hundreds. Okay, so we're only using tens and ones. So 0 hundreds. Now we're going to look at the ones value. So 1 ones and 6 tens. Now we're going to do the next one. We have 509. It is a 3-digit number because when we count 1, 2, 3. So here it's going to be ones, 9 ones, and because we have a 0 in the middle, right here, we're going to have 0 tens and 5 hundreds. Let's try number 4. We have 7, and 7 is just 1-digit number. So we're not going to use the hundreds place or the tens place. We're just using the ones, okay? So 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 7 ones. Let's try number 6. We have 400, and 400 is a 3-digit number. 4 hundreds, right? And because we have 2 zeros over here at the end, we're going to have 0 tens and 0 ones. Okay? Now the next page, estimating length. Measure each object shown and estimate to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so when we look at the first one, it starts at 0, right? So we're just gonna look at where it ends. So it ends at 5 centimeters. So it is 5 centimeters long. Okay, and if you just count it, it's also going to be the same because here we start at 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it ends at 5. So it is 5 centimeters. Okay, now let's try number 2. We have to see where it ends. It is at 4 centimeters, right? It is the nearest to 4 centimeters, so we have 4 centimeters. And there is a pencil. Now it's much longer than the other ones. It ends at right here, which is 15, so it is 15 centimeters long. And the last one, we have a feather that is 7 centimeters long because it starts at 0 and it ends at 7, and so it's 7 centimeters long. Okay, now let's try the next page. Write an equation for the array shown and solve. So let's see how many rows we have. We have 1, 2, 3. And for each row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares, right? So 4 plus 4 plus 4, because we have 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, okay? So 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay? Now let's try the next one. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 rows. And for each row, we have 4 triangles. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay? Now we're going to count. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12, right? So altogether, it equals 12. And then we have to add 4 again. So 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4. That's going to be 6, and the 1 drops, so we have 16. Okay? Now let's try number 5. We just have ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So we just write 1, 1, 1, and 1. So there are 4 stars in total. Okay? Let's try number 6. We have 1, 2, and 3. 3 rows. And for each row, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 plus 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay? Now the next page, word problems. Mia has 72 cents in her pocket. She spends 48 cents on candy. How many money does she have left? So she spent money. Okay, so we're going to subtract 72 minus 48. To minus 8, we have to get 1/10 from the 7. So the 7 is going to become a 6. And our 2 is going to become a 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. And 6 minus 4, over here, 6 minus 4 is 2. So we have 24. So she has 24 cents left. Okay, now let's try number 3. Cameron spent 18 minutes on solving math problems and 15 minutes on reading for homework. How long did Cameron spend on homework? So we're going to add 18 plus 15, okay? We're adding. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So the 1 goes up here. And we're adding these 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So he spent 33 minutes on his homework, okay? Thank you.